Hi! In this video, follow along as we trace the 4 meridians that govern the nighttime. Starting with the triple warmer meridian. Coming to the other side. Next, we're going to do the Gallbladder meridian that governs the time of 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. Now we're going to zigzag down the side of the body 5 times. And then come down the leg, off the 4th toe. Next, we'll do the liver meridian of the governing the times of 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. Starting at the lateral toenail of the big toe. Into the floater ribs, into the rib cage. And finishing with the lung meridian that governs the time of 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. Clean off the thumb. Doing the sequence one more time. And then finish with 2 fingers in the belly button, 2 fingers in the forehead, taking some breaths. And there you have it.